guys, how are you doing today? I hope you are all doing good, and I hope you are all well. Magpapainit muna ako. So while I'm waiting sa aking iniinit, pakita ko sa inyo yung asawa ko is doing a 10 days challenge. Ano siya? It's a healthy diet. Gumagawa siya ng smoothie. A healthy smoothie. Every meal time, yun ang kanyang ginagawa. Bali, smoothie lang siya every meal time, 3 times a day. So far, na siya, few days na siyang gumagawa nito, and sabi niya, it's very filling daw. Yung 1 cup ng smoothie, na siya doon, it really filled him up. So, hindi siya nagugutom. Talagang busog siya after ng 1 cup of smoothie. At ito yung mga ingredients na ginagamit niya. Chia seeds. Ito, coconut oil. And then, this one, matcha powder. And then, he's also using this lucuma organic powder, and then the ground cinnamon, and then this one, organic cocoa. Ito guys, gusto ko siya, ang sarap nito. This is the powdered peanut butter. I tasted it. Oh gosh, it's really good. And the hemp seeds. And I tried when my husband made his smoothie. I tried it, and it was really good. I mean, it was so tasty. Imagine 1 cup of smoothie. It filled him up. At tsaka, hindi siya nagutom. So, ilang araw na siya na ganyan lang ang ginagawa niya. 3 times a day. So, 3 times a day siya nag-smoothie. And this is a very healthy smoothie. Kailangan niya 10 days na gagawin niya ito. And then, makikita kung anong results so far. It's very effective. Busog siya, hindi siya gutom the whole day. Tsaka masarap. Most of all, masarap siya. Tsaka yung paggawa niya ng smoothie, aside from dito sa mga ingredients na pinakita ko sa inyo, nilagyan din niya ito ng celery. Pinagawa niya yung celery, nilagay sa blender, tapos yung mga ingredients, i-mix mo yung mga ingredients doon, tapos pagtapos na siya, naging smoothie na, yun lang ang niya, 1 cup every meal time. So he is really doing a great job. So salute ako sa asawa ko dyan. Itong kinakain ko, this is my kids leftover na biscuits. So sayang kung itapon mo lang, masarap pa naman. So kainin ko with coffee. Ang sarap niya. Buttery siya. Kape. Ano ba? Filipino style. Coffee and then bread or biscuit. Sarap. I have a leftover na baked pork ribs. So, gusto ko siyang maging crispy. So, I'm gonna have to put this in sa air fryer. Tapos gawin ko siyang parang crispy. Yung asawa ko. Gawin ko siyang parang crispy pata style. Yan, para ma-crunchy.
Crispy.
Crispy. Photo bomber. Video bomber pala. Tapos, kainin ko siya. Sausaw ko siya sa suka na may kamatis, na may soy sauce, tsaka daming rice. O, diba? Sulit na ang lunch. Ako lang naman kumakain yan. So, sulit-sulitin ko na. Iba yung sa kanila. That's, what is that? Yan, gumagawa siya ng kanyang healthy smoothie. How do you pronounce that word? Lucuma? Yogurt. Creek. Okay. Then Lakuma.
Oh, I should have added milk first.
You just added this one. And then cashew milk, silk milk. Tastes good. That looks tasty. Ayan. Kita nyo? It looks tasty. Delicious. syempre, I have to try this one. This is totally different from the one last night, right? Oh, tastes good. This is a creamy berry super drink. I like it. Baka maubos ko to, hindi niya mainom. Sige nga, baka maubos ko pa yan. So far, I'm almost done with my mini crispy pata. Tapos, na-realize ko wala pa pala akong rice. I need to cook my rice. Rice is life, di ba? Munti ka na eh. Ayan, so let me check my mini crispy pata. Maliit. Yung mga maliit lang siya. Hindi ko masyadong pina-crispy yan kasi pag sobrang crispy naman masakit sa ngipin. Tingnan natin. Tingnan ko nga. Ito muna. Sa gilid. Sisidlan ko. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. Smells so good. Uy, ang sarap niya. I can't wait na sausaw sa suka, vinegar, soy sauce na may tomatoes, tapos lalagyan ng sili para mas masarap. Medyo maanghang, mas masarap. Slice ko siya. Ang sarap nito, mga kaibigan. Wala pa akong nagawang sausawan na, pero na, I'm already eating. Sobrang sarap. Crunchy and yummy. Can't wait for the sausawan, guys.